Are you heading to the Seychelles and want to stay connected during your trip? As you may know, using your SIM card abroad can be very expensive, and buying a SIM card once you arrive isn't always convenient. Personally, I've been using eSIMs for a few years now, especially Saily, because I wanted to avoid wasting time and international roaming fees. I set everything up before I leave, and when I arrive, I have internet access. In this video, I'm going to show you how it works, what I like about it, the limitations as well, and most importantly, whether it's worth it for a trip to the Seychelles. So, Saily is an eSIM service offered by Nord Security, the same company behind NordVPN. So you're dealing with something pretty solid in terms of security. The idea is simple. You install an eSIM directly on your phone, and you can get internet access in more than 200 countries, including the Seychelles, without changing your physical SIM card. Getting started is super simple. You download the app, choose your destination, the Seychelles in this case, pick a plan, and the app guides you step by step. Honestly, it's done in just a few minutes. What I always do is activate the eSIM before I leave. That way, as soon as I land, it connects automatically. No need to hunt for Wi-Fi or anything. Price-wise, it's pretty reasonable. For the Seychelles, you can get plans for $8 for a week if you don't use much data. Otherwise, for $32, you get 5 GB, which is enough for a typical trip, using Google Maps, Instagram, and so on. Another thing I like, everything is prepaid. So no surprises, no hidden subscriptions. You pay, you use it, that's it. You can even buy your plan in advance and activate it later. I'll put the link in the description, along with a promo code VClub if you want to pay less. Now, in terms of user experience, during my last 2 trips, and overall it worked really well. Even in more remote islands, like Pralin, it performed great. Whether it's for Google Maps, sending photos, watching videos, or making calls via WhatsApp, it works perfectly fine. The biggest advantage is peace of mind. You get off the plane, turn on your phone, and you already have internet. Where Saily stands out is on the security side. There is a built-in ad blocker. It might sound like a gimmick, but it actually speeds up page loading and saves data. There is also web protection that blocks dangerous websites, and a virtual location option, kinda like a mini VPN to access certain content. These are features you don't usually get with most other providers, and that's also why I chose Saily. Another nice touch, you get an alert when you reach around 80% of your data. That helps avoid surprises, and support is available 24/7. I've tested it before, they respond quickly. Now, a few things to keep in mind. First is data only, so no traditional calls or SMS. But these days, most people use WhatsApp or Telegram anyway, so it's not really an issue. And of course, you need an eSIM compatible phone. Most recent smartphones support it. So, do I recommend Saily for the Seychelles? Absolutely. If you want a simple, fast, no-hassle way to get internet in the Seychelles, it does the job really well. You install it before leaving, you arrive, and it just works. That's it for this video. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to try Saily, use the promo code VClub to get a discount. If you have any questions, as always, drop them in the comments. Have a great trip and see you soon.